Welcome back to the Frugal Prof channel on YouTube. And as always, if you like this video, please like it because it helps the algorithm, and subscribe to the channel. So let's get into this. I mentioned this video last week, and here it is. This is Goldman Sachs Instapoll. They poll 1,000 of their institutional clients on their macro views, and this is heading into the election, so it's even more interesting and appropriate. And before I get into it, let's do the legal disclaimer. I'm not offering investment advice. Consult your investing professional. And Frugal Prof is not legally responsible for any inaccuracies in the information provided. So away we go. And before we get into it, also, let's remember that these are institutions. They're larger clients with either pension funds, hedge funds, trading clients. They may not actually have the same investment objectives that you have. So having said all of that, let's get into it. The overview is the themes since May will continue. The Fed is dovish, which supports gold, bearish the dollar. The institutions prefer non-U.S. equities, and they see two tail risk scenarios for the election. Okay. So here it is. Since May, the themes that their clients have seen is that the Fed is dovish, which is supporting gold, and bearish the dollar. And of their gold clients, 38% are bullish on gold, 22% are bearish. 68% prefer non-U.S. equities, which is the highest level in 2 years. So that's really interesting. Of course, we've had this rally in U.S. equities, so that plays into it. You have kind of a valuation trade. Now, looking at the election, they see two tail risk scenarios for the election. The first is the election is too close to call, Gore v. Bush redux, and they basically see that the options market has priced that in. The second scenario is a decisive win by one of the candidates, and we'd have a substantial relief rally in either of those in that scenario. So the third, which I want to point out, is that 14% of those polled expect no candidate to concede by December. So that's quite the tail risk right there. So that is the overview. And just to recap, the theme since May will continue. The Fed is dovish, supports gold, bearish the dollar. Majority of clients prefer non-U.S. equities, and they see two tail risk scenarios heading into the election. So that's the overview for the Goldman Sachs Institutional Client Poll. Interesting information. I hope you appreciate it and like this video because it helps us in the algorithm, and subscribe to the channel. Have a great weekend. Thanks again.